Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, The Lost Child. In our previous session, we came to know that the child, he started to search his parents. He was running hither and thither, in all the directions he was running. He was crying bitterly and he was panic stricken. And there was a place which contained green grass. Some men and women were walking. They were walking and talking there. And he tried to search his parents there. He looked towards them intently with the hope that he may find his parents there. But he could not find his parents there. And they were all laughing and talking, and boy thought they are laughing for the sake of laughing. They are talking for the sake of talking. Probably they did not have any proper reason, then also they were laughing like that. The child thought. Now let us continue the lesson. He ran quickly again, this time a shrine to which people seemed to be crowding. Yes, the boy, he quickly ran to a shrine. Shrine means temple, okay, which people seemed to be crowding. In front of that temple, people were crowding. They were coming in a large number. Every little inch of the space here was congested with men. Every little inch of the space was congested. Congested means overcrowded or overfull. That was overcrowded with men. But he ran through the people's slack. His little sob, lingering, mother, father. Yes, the boy, he tried to make some space through the people's leg. His sob lingering. His sob, his crying, it was lingering. Lingering means stayed, remained. He was calling mother, father. Near the entrance of the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. When he came towards the entrance of the temple, the crowd became very thick. Men jostled each other. The people were jostling each other. Jostling means to push aside, okay, especially with the help of elbow, okay, pushing others, each other is called jostling. They were jostling each other. Heavy men with flashing murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. They were heavy men, well-built men, and they were having flashing and murderous eyes. Okay, their eyes looked flashing and murderous for child. Actually, he is panic stricken. Though they were normal people also, he was thinking their eyes were like murderous eyes. Okay. And hefty shoulders. They were having hefty shoulders. Hefty means heavy and strong shoulders. The poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet. The poor child, he struggled. Okay, almost he had to make a big fight in order to make his way, okay, between their feet. But knocked to and fro by their brutal movements. But this boy, he used to go that side and this side, because the people used to come and hit to him. Okay, because of their brutal movement, boy could not move freely. He used to go that side and this side. He might have been trampled under foot had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, "Father, mother." Yes, probably he might have been trampled. Trampled means what? Crushed under the feet of people if he had not been calling his parents in a loud voice. See here. Trampled under feet, had he not shrieked, shrieked means scream loudly, okay. Shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice. He was screaming at the highest pitch of his voice, father and mother. Because of that reason, he was not trampled by the people, or else people would have trampled on him. Okay. A man in the surging crowd heard his cry and, stooping with great difficulty, lifted him up to his arms. Yes, there was a man in the surging crowd. Surging means a rushing crowd. Okay, in that rushing crowd, there was a man. He heard the sound or cry of the child, and stooping with great difficulty, stooping means bending with great difficulty, lifted him up to his arms. That man who heard the cry of the child, he bent and with difficulty he bent and he lifted the child up to his arms. How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked as he steered clear of the mass. The child wept more bitterly than ever known and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Yes, see here. Then that man, strange man, asked to child, how did you get here, child? How did you come here, my child? Whose baby are you? Whose baby are you? Who are your parents? The man asked as he steered clear of the mass. When the man came out of the mass, okay, when he came to the clear place where there is no cloud, then he asked the child. The child wept more bitterly than ever known and only cried. Then child wept, okay, in a bitter manner than ever. Okay, the child wept more bitterly than ever. Now and only cried. Just he cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Only thing the child said was, I want my mother, I want my father. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. Will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked as he approaching the ring. The child's throat tore into thousand shrill sobs, and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. Yes, the man tried to soothe. Soothe means relax or make comfort. Okay, in order to make the child comfort, the man took him to the roundabout. Okay, towards the roundabout, he took him. Will you have a ride on the horse? Okay, you might have seen roundabout. A horse will be there. On that, children will be sitting, and it will run. It moves in a circulation. Okay. Then he asked the child, will you have a ride on horse? Then he gently asked as he approaching the ring. When he came towards the ring, he asked the child. The child's throat tore into thousand shrill sobs. Then child, he continued his sobbing. He started to cry. Okay, child's throat tore into thousand shrill sob. Okay, you might have seen children, they cry in different manner. After screaming long time, they start to do like this. Like this they do. Like that, he started to continue his sobs. And only he shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. Only he shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. I don't want this roundabout or something else. I just want my father and mother. Like this, the child cried bitterly. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.